Two things I've wanted to talk about very briefly. Firstly, protesters. I've seen way too many videos of protesters in the roads, blocking the roads. So the funny thing is, what belongs on roads? Cars, not people. Cars belong on the road. If you're protesting for Ukraine, Israel, Gaza, the Hamas, Palestine, whatever the fuck it is, and you're standing in the middle of the road in people's way, purposely stopping traffic, you deserve to get run over. Just get out of the fucking road. That's not where you belong. I don't condone violence, and I'm not saying to do it. I'm not saying to purposely hurt people just because. But if you're in my way and I have to get somewhere, I'm not stopping for you. Second thing is that there is a new law coming to Minnesota in 2024 on January 1st. Very, very soon here. People, what did it say? The 26th this is being uploaded, so that means 5-6 days left before we have to start dealing with this shit. Guess what it is? Tampons are not going to be mandatory being put in men's bathroom. Yes, tampons, mandatory men's bathroom. That is a very distasteful, just aura, essence in my mouth. I don't like it. It's disgusting. And if I ever walk into a public bathroom and there are tampons in there, I will be ripping that shit off the wall. I genuinely don't give a fuck. I mean, if I get arrested for it, I will definitely videotape it for you guys and I'll update it for you because I think that'd be hilarious. I'd love to see it. But if I ever see anybody ever fucking using the tampons in the bathroom, it's over.